Hopes are high, and so is the stock market. The S&P and the NASDAQ both hitting new record highs on news that the consumer price index rose 2.7%, better than the 2.8% predicted. Inflation is tame, and the market rallied on hopes that the Fed will cut rates very soon. Let's bring in Tim Biggam of Buy Alerts. Tim, what are your thoughts? The market is rallying, but this has been a very quiet rally.
The summer doldrums finally coming to fruition. Also seasonality. August has been normally kind of a blah month. September, the worst performing month. So we're getting into a somewhat bearish period going forward here. So we'll see if it is finally the time for the market to have that long awaited pullback of some magnitude. I think it probably might come to fruition here once earnings season finally comes to an end, with NVIDIA really closing up the last of the major stocks to report.
With all eyes on the Fed, how important do you think the Fed meeting at Jackson Hole, that annual event next week, will be to the market?
Yeah, that's basically the old, kind of Jackson Hole with back in the Bernanke days kind of led to the first major sell-off here. I don't think it will have much, if any, bearing, Andrew. I think the Fed has kind of painted the picture very well here. 2 rate cuts this year and maybe one more to start the following year. But I don't see the Fed really deviating from course since they've stayed the course for so long now.
Any summer trades on your buy list?
Yeah, I'm starting to look at some of the beat-up stocks, the United Health and the Adobes of the world that have been the big underperformers. I think we'll see a rotation out of those high momentum names into these kind of beaten down names, just as a place to hide out for at least for the coming 6 to 9 months.
Have a great trading day, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, Ange. Take care.